Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking Afghan style rice. This style of rice has a sweet edge that goes perfect with any kebabs. To start, slice 2 carrots into matchsticks. I'm definitely not the greatest at this, so please forgive me. Next, you'll need a saucepan over low heat. Add a tablespoon of oil. Then add the carrots, followed by 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir the carrots through the sugar and oil. Cook until the carrots begin to soften. Make sure to stir often so they don't stick or brown. After about 10 minutes, the carrots should be soft and the oil and sugar should be left with a yellow tint. Remove to a bowl, leaving the liquid. Next, add half a cup of raisins. Cook in the sugar and oil mixture until they puff up. Once they're heated through and puffed up, add to the bowl with the carrots. Next, add 2 cups of water. This will deglaze the pan. Then add 1 cup of rice. Bring to the boil. The flavour from the carrots, raisins and sugar mixture will flavour the rice. Once boiling, turn the heat down to low, cover with the lid and cook for 15 minutes. Once the rice is cooked through, add the carrots and the raisins. Stir them through the rice. Serve with your choice of meat and there you have it, Afghan style rice. This rice has an amazing flavour which won't overpower the rest of the dish. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.